As the holidays approach, the rush to find the perfect gifts can be as stressful as it is joyful. But fear not, fellow crocheters. Today I'm going to bring you a collection of delightful Christmas projects that are quick to crochet. These are not only handmade with love, but guaranteed to bring smiles to the faces of anyone who will receive one of your handmade gifts. You're going to find everything from adorable crochet amigurumi toys to Christmas decor and everything in between. Let's dive into the world of charming and practical crochet creations that everyone on your list will adore. Hi, I'm Elise from EliseRoseCrochet.com, and this is my favorite collection of Christmas crochet patterns that I have ever shared before. One of the reasons why I love these patterns so much is that they are full of personality, full of character. They are so beautiful, and each one of them is a quick make. So if you're like me and you've waited till the last minute, these are going to be the perfect patterns so that you will have some handmade gifts tucked under the Christmas tree this season. I'm going to be sharing so many amazing resources today, and you're going to find all of them linked in the description box below. The first pattern I'm going to share about isn't actually a pattern, but it's a collection, and it's the Christmas Amigurumi Festival. This special event was organized by the Sewing Box magazine with 25 amigurumi designers from all over the world with brand new patterns that feature all Christmas themes. This year, the festival's goals was to take you on a tour of all of the different countries that are represented with the 25 different amigurumi designers. Each pattern represents their traditions with dolls, magical creatures, animals, puppets, costumes, and more. There are 25 amigurumi patterns for the 25 days leading up to Christmas. The patterns in this bundle are simpler so that you'll be able to make as many as you can for your friends and family, and hopefully you'll be able to keep a couple of them for yourself. The bundle also includes a short little ebook containing anecdotes, Christmas tales, and recipes from around the world from the contributing amigurumi designers. They hail from so many different countries around the world, like Spain, the United States, Argentina, Chile, Peru, Mexico, Brazil, Finland, Portugal, France, Germany, Belgium, the Philippines, Turkey, Malaysia, Korea, and Indonesia. All the patterns are available in English and in Spanish, but one thing that is really important to know is that the festival, the collection of patterns, is only available from November 21st, 2023 until December 4th, 2023. The cost is $21.50 in US dollars, and that really is an amazing value for all 25 different patterns. My contribution this year is the Snowman Finger Puppets pattern. Meet Snowball, Blizzard, and Chili. They love winter adventures. They toboggan down hills, have snowball fights, and build the tallest snow forts. With frosty grins, they warm up with a hot cup of cocoa with marshmallows on top, of course. These little snowmen work up so quickly, and they are going to be a hit with everyone on your nice list. Well, maybe a few on your naughty list as well. I had so much fun designing these little snowmen, and what I think is really fun is that even though I tried to make them each look identical to each other, they all have their own little personalities. Their faces look a little bit different, and I think that gives them so much character. I will leave a link for the Christmas Amigurumi Festival in the description box below, so make sure to watch out for that time frame because the collection won't be available after December 4th, 2023. I'm a big believer that when you give a handmade gift, the packaging is almost as important as the gift itself. Over the years, I've made little handmade gift tags, but this year I'm doing something new and exciting. With Wonder Label, you can design your own individual labels online with your logo or simply with text and symbols. It's very simple to do, and this is going to elevate my handmade gifts this year. I chose to design personalized leather labels that are perfect for things like crocheted hats, blankets, garments, and even amigurumi toys. I added the label to my little Petunia Petal Mouse, which is a brand new pattern, and I love how it looks right there in the back on her cardigan. It looks so professional. These are very high quality leather labels, and I love that you can see the letters on the tag so clearly. It also comes with the little screws to be able to attach the label to any crocheted item. I didn't just get the leather labels though, I also got a set of of hang tags. I love that you can customize these with the shapes. You can put your logo or you can just add text, any words that you want. And they also have a library of all of these different symbols that you can add to the tags so that you can make it your own. I also ended up getting a set of stickers with my logo on them, as well as my very first business cards. I feel so professional now. But what's even better is that Wonder Label is offering each of you 20% off your next order with the code Elise1223. Thank you so much to Wonder Label for sponsoring today's video. The next pattern is from one of my favorite Amigurumi designers. Her name is Emily from Sweet Creek Patterns, and you are going to love her to pieces. She sent my cat Pickle his very own little stocking. How cute is this? It's in the shape of a little fish, and you've got the faux fur trim here and on the little fin, and it's the perfect size for stuffing it full of Pickle's favorite treats. This is a free pattern on Emily's blog, and I will leave a link for it in the description box below. I'll also leave a link to her shop where you can purchase the downloadable pattern too. And if that wasn't enough, she also has a full video tutorial on her YouTube channel. But don't think Emily has forgotten about the dog lovers and the humans too. You will also find stocking patterns for them as well. The large faux fur dog bone Christmas stocking pattern is also available on her website as a free pattern, but you'll also be able to purchase the downloadable pattern as well. But I want you to make sure to go to Emily's website to check out all of her free and paid patterns. You are going to be blown away by these designs. I cannot wait for that Highland cow pattern to come out because I've never seen anything like it. And the thing that I want you to know about Emily is that she is a teenager. This is a young girl who has so much talent. She is going to make a big name for herself in the crochet world. So I will leave a link for all of Emily's things down in the description box below. And thank you to Emily for this adorable little stocking. Pickle is going to be so surprised that this year he has his very own. Now I have something a little bit different, and this is from Christine from Spotted Horse Design Co. Christine has created a very special free gift for us crocheters this holiday season. In the Crochet Countdown to Christmas Advent Calendar, makers will learn a new crochet stitch from December 1st all the way through December 24th. This is such a fun way to learn new stitches, but also work down your yarn stash. But another bonus is that the practice swatches will make great dishcloths, washcloths, and pot holders that you can give gifts for Christmas. When you sign up, you will receive a free downloadable advent calendar with a QR code for each day. All you have to do is scan the QR code and it will take you to the tutorial of the day. And with each tutorial, you'll find the written directions as well as a video. I think this will be such a fun way to combine learning new things as a crocheter, but also to make some really practical and lovely gifts for your family and friends. The next project I have for you is not just one pattern, but it is a massive collection of patterns, and guess what? They're all free. The 24 Days of Quickies with Marley Bird and Friends is a massive crochet event that features crochet and knit patterns that are going to be available from December 1st through December 24th. Over these 24 days, you're going to find free downloadable patterns from your favorite designers like Brianna K Designs, Edie Ekman, Two Brothers Blankets, Coco Crochet Lee, Megan Makes Do, Thorsby Cottage, and Little Old Me, just to name a few. Every day on the Marley Bird blog, you are going to find multiple crochet and knit patterns that are all available to download for free. These are all last-minute projects that are going to make perfect Christmas gifts. Many of these patterns you'll be able to complete in one day. But one thing to note is that each one of these patterns is only going to be available to download for 24 hours. So make sure to check in every day. The pattern that I created are the Christmas Pigs finger puppets. I had so much fun making these little guys. They are so cute. You guys know, if you've been here before, that I absolutely love pigs. I don't know what what it is about them, but I think that they are so adorable. And I wanted them to be little Christmas brothers, and they have little matching outfits. And this one has red and white stripes. This one has little green and white stripes, and they have their little bow ties. So this pattern is going to be available for free, but I can't tell you the date yet. You're going to have to check back every day onto the Marley Bird blog to see which patterns are going to be available. One of my all-time favorite crochet designers is Allie from the Turtle Trunk. Her imagination is so full of the most gorgeous crochet patterns. And Allie has just released her crochet advent calendar, and it comes with 27 different crochet patterns. It has a tree wall hanging, a pouch/gift bag, 25 Christmas themed appliques, and links to all the video tutorials. I love this one so much because it reminds me of an advent calendar that we have had in our home for almost 30 years. My kids still like putting all of the little people and the animals and the little Christmas objects up on the tree portion. It's just one of our favorite traditions, and this one reminds me of it so much. Allie has a paid version which you can purchase on Etsy or Ravelry, and it contains all of the patterns all right now with links to the videos. But you can also get the free version, which will be released a little at a time. Another one of my favorite designers is Jillian from Spin a Yarn Crochet. She has a brand new Amigurumi elf Christmas ornament that is free on her blog. I love this one so much. I love those colors. I love that cheeky little smile he has. This would be perfect for your Christmas tree, but she also has a collection of other free crochet ornament patterns on her blog, so make sure to check them all out. I know I've given you a lot of ideas, but hang with me, I've got a few more. These festive puff stitch trees by MJ's Off the Hook Designs are so modern and cozy all at the same time. What's so special about these crocheted trees is that the stitch pattern allows light to filter through, so you can put your favorite little battery-powered lights inside. This will create the perfect ambiance for a cold winter night. I love that you can crochet these in any color that you want, because if you want to match them with your Christmas decor, because I'm a traditionalist and I would probably crochet these in white or green, but I love how Michelle made these in green, blues, and gray. One of my favorite Christmas movies of all time is How the Grinch Stole Christmas. I remember watching this movie when I was a little girl and being so angry that this green man would walk into the unsuspecting villagers' homes of Whoville and steal all their presents. But now as an adult, I can appreciate the beautiful message of how the Grinch went from a greedy, cold-hearted being to a generous, beloved member of Whoville. And what happened then? Well, in Whoville they say that the Grinch's small heart grew 3 sizes that day. And then the true meaning of Christmas came through, and the Grinch found the strength of 10 Grinches plus 2. This little Grinch amigurumi pattern is a free pattern on the Little Crochet Farm blog. I love his little smile and that tuft of green yarn on the top of his head. She's not only got the free pattern, but a video tutorial as well. The next pattern is the flat crochet Christmas tree. The crochet flat Christmas I don't know why this one is so hard for me to say. The crochet flat Christmas tree is a very versatile pattern that you can use for gift wrapping, a garland, and even an ornament. It is the perfect stash buster, and it is completely free. We can thank Jessica from Stitching Together for this pattern, and if you look on her blog, you are going to find a lot of gorgeous patterns. And one thing that I really appreciate about all of her patterns is that her photography is so clear, and she's zoomed really close in so that you're able to see all of her stitches very clearly. I hope you enjoyed all of the different patterns that I shared today, and make sure to mark on your calendars that the Amigurumi Festival is available through December 4th of 2023. And also check Marley Bird's blog every single day for the month of December through the 1st through the 24th to see all of the different free crochet and knit patterns that will be available. And again, thank you to Wonder Label for sponsoring today's video. Make sure to get your 20% off with the code Elise1223. I hope you all have a great rest of your week. Stay safe and happy stitching.